Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're back. It's Tuesday, October 25th. Looks like a fishbowl in here again today. Why? It's so dark. It's unreal. Is it better? Not really. Is that better? No. No. Like, sickly. Guess that's gonna work. What's up, Scott B? What's up, ACJD? Good morning. Welcome in. Guess it's just gonna look nice and blue this morning. It's very dark outside again. Like every morning it's cloudy and disgusting looking. Right. Play some jams here.
Fro.
Appreciate you guys showing up yesterday evening for the Trend Spider webinar event. If you guys missed it, it is on the channel. They just kind of went over the platform. David, he came on, went over the platform, showed some cool features, and gave a discount to the community. Lance, my man. Mike, what's up? Good morning. Got the merch on today. I don't know how to feel about that game last night. That was like the most insane range of emotions ever. I have no idea how to feel. It went from like, okay, Mac's back. We're playing kind of crappy at the beginning. And then he throws a pick, which was pretty ugly. And I'm a Mac fan. I mean, I had my jersey on yesterday. And they immediately bench him, which they were talking earlier, like maybe both QBs would play anyway, so maybe that's why they pulled him so fast. But then we went to Zappy, and he immediately got us down the field. We scored a touchdown. We scored another touchdown. And then the defense, after that moment, the defense couldn't stop anything. They couldn't stop him on third down. Judon was like the only guy playing. And then Zappy ended up having 2 picks. One was batted, and one was like during desperation time. But that was just ugly. I thought after, that 14-point spin that we had it. Like, we got momentum quick. And then defense just could not stop Justin Fields, man. We got anything going this morning? Let's look. You got your generic Dr. Pepper? Was that like Mr. Pibb, or even more generic, like Dr. Fizz? Alright, I'll move my no such thing as a breakout to the bottom of the screen until it becomes a reality today, and then we'll pull it back up to the top.
CYCN.
CGC got news? Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much one of the lead dogs for the weed. That looks a little better. I changed something on the camera for low light compensation, and it's I don't look as blue anymore. So CGC SPY is down a little bit today. It closed very strong yesterday though. So being down like this, we did get a program candle up this morning. CGC, yeah, getting a little bit of taps here. 25K bidder. See what the news is. Earnings or what? No. Acreage and Canopy entered in a new strategic agreement. Oh, they're entering the U.S. market though. Okay, that's pretty good. It will be legal in the US eventually. What's up, Snacks? Eventually. So our second top gainer is a $200 stock. IDEX is third. TSHA, never heard of that stock before. Tasha Gene Therapies. Potentially just an oversold chart. Did have an 8K. Had news after hours yesterday. Strategic investment. 50 million. Okay. That's not too bad. Yeah, for real. It's all about MedP. Ew, what is this? Is it like a buyout? Yeah. Earnings. Believe it or not, earnings. Mullins, so I noticed it did a very 2022 move yesterday. I was watching it here, trading it here, nice little flag or ascending, whatever you want to call it. Went up, had a big trappy looking candle, and then they failed it. You're like, okay, this thing's gonna start fading now. And it fades down to, I mean, I guess this zone, you can call it this zone. Two big hammers, and then the rest of the day and after hours, it just climbs straight up. Why does that chart look like that? Where's my, what the heck? Okay, let's see. Weber Grills, oh, acquisition. So that's pretty good for whoever was in that. I know some people were in that for like a meme-ish stock. Weber. I'm sure the meme heads, though, are really disappointed about 625. All right, maybe we'll get something at 8:15, 8:30 again. I think that's when whatever that ticker we were trading yesterday was. What was that yesterday we were trading? Mobs or something? No, that's the one that keeps hitting right now. Why can't I think of the name? What was the one we were trading yesterday? Traded sideways at like $2 all day. I'm blanking. No, not that. Literally cannot remember. Mots. Okay. Yeah, this one just having these mob is confusing me. So, did it do 100? No, it didn't, did it? No. So it gave us, remember, 6 minutes of good action here. Pushed up at open for a little bit, and then just did some of this. What the heck is ARAV up for? That chart looks wild. Oh, private placement financing. $91.99. Well, it is very slow right now. Guess we could hit up an early Wordle. Get the brain rolling. Gotta get it within 3 though. All right. None of those letters? Come on. Oh, I thought it was fudge for a second. I'm gonna burn fudge. Okay, the G is there. Come on. Okay, so it's got to be F and a vowel. I guess it could be FY technically, but I don't know many FY words. So it's not A, E, I, or U. What is this? F O blank G something. Yeah, I have mob up on the other screen. I got volume off of that for sure. can't be Forge. I have no idea. Foggy. There we go. Double G. Sheesh. $92K. Yeah, since they do not see it as being material.
TSHA.
But high likelihood of repeat orders. Sure. Nothing wild, but $457K bid right here, or ask, I mean. Interesting. There was a little activity on this before PR came out too, interestingly enough.
SBSW.
It is getting some action, interestingly enough. What is going on with this? That news wasn't phenomenal. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. See what we got. See, look at this action before the PR.
LESL.
Looks better on the one. Before the PR came out. Look at this. If this is unusual. Unusual action here. Hey, Discipline. Yeah, I started a little bit late and I didn't schedule it. My bad. I usually schedule it like at 9 p.m., but I was watching the game. Very interesting. It's a recent IPO too. Not like recent, but actually beginning of the month. So yeah, it is a recent IPO. So that was it's a good looking 2022 trap if it is gonna go higher. You know, it's flagging above VWAP here, looking fantastic. Big fail in the candle lows, never make a lower low, hit the Nike swoosh, yada yada. But if something comes out at 8:30, then this probably will go away because this news isn't fantastic. Mick, what is up, my man? See, already starting.
Stats. PXMT. FRGT.
I think we'll get some 830. Maybe nothing crazy, but I think we'll get something. This feels low risk right here to me. Still don't want to risk like 3 cents though.
ILAG.
Come on. I'll take the 1 cent loss. Oh well. I think I had to bounce right there if it was going to bounce and actually be strong. But it'll probably fool me and go, you know, look extremely ugly into very good, and it'll be all fine. Fine and dandy.
TSHA. Wind.
I don't know. I don't feel like it's going to do anything. It looked promising there for a minute. So this one had 9 minutes of action compared to Mott's had 6 minutes. So we're increasing slowly. All right, here comes 830.
AMPX. Code.
I don't see anything.
Oh.
That's disappointing.
KULR.
TSHA getting some volume.
TSHA. CANF.
Market bouncing a little bit.
TOA.
There's just nothing crazy going on. We need more action.
TSHA.
Sober. Let's pull it up. Haven't pulled that up in a couple days. Yeah, man, it's still just basing around. $4 is a big level. Let's look at the hourly, 30-minute. I mean, it's trying to go higher. It really is. It wants to so badly. It's like a mega ascending here. Through there. With 4 being the top. It may do it. I just hate the action to it. You almost have to watch in a long time frame.
TSHA.
Yeah, 330s first would be great. Lower your risk a little bit. Yeah, sober makes you not want to be sober. Watching that price action. So this one's still moving very slowly.
TSHA. RNA.
Mullins 62 test here. Up through 62.
Here.
It's flagging a little bit on the 5-minute. Maybe it gets another 65 test here in a minute. It's kind of the only thing with potential, so that's has me thinking, you know, this might actually get going again. KNF ponytail push today.
PHG. AMPX.
Mullins creeping up just a little bit. It's slow. It's very slow. 62.4.
Noah.
This TSHA play push up to 220. Can F. Oh, I didn't see I had news. Complete clearance of cancer. I mean, that sounds good. Why didn't I get that news? Oh, it's at 7 a.m. Okay. So it will be presented at the meeting, and the meeting is when? November 7th. So it might be a run-up to that. But the data is presented on Monday, November 7th.
CNXA.
It is getting some action here, though. The bad part about doing Wordle that early is now I have nothing to do while it's insanely slow right now.
CLF.
Market going down just a fuzz. Nothing crazy. Oil's down.
TSHA.
I don't know if I trust something that's been moving in this same wave for, since 4 a.m. But what else is there? There's this and there's Mullins, and that's it. MedP, we're not trading $206 liquid stock with 11,000 total volume today. Weber's a buyout. IDEX maybe. It's just kind of sitting there though. I mean, that screamed buy to me.
XRX.
They let this thing get through 220 for just a second and push it right back under.
Wind.
If I was a betting man, I would say that we would just continue this way, and then continue this way, and then continue this way. Mullins chart looks good, which is the terrifying part for 2022. You really want a chart to look nasty to go higher. I've got it pulled up. I'm watching it. I'm just afraid it won't get like the insane reaction today just because the event is on the 7th. The daily, so 97, 200, dollar, of course, is psychological resistance, and then like 110, 120. And then, I mean, 150 will be probably ultimate target, yeah. Mullins got a decent bidder here, which is right for the smashing. Guess I can play Weddle today. I guess since he destroyed our defense, let's go Justin Fields. Okay. Wide receiver, maybe. No, tight end. So it's Kyle Pitts, right? Easy. Easy. There's no young tight end under 23 that is in the NFC that I can think of. Okay, well that wasted 20 seconds. What else we got? Anything?
FUBO. TSHA.
Well, I guess we're just gonna sit here for a minute. Unless we get some.
KAHC.
Here's some 845 news.
DNA.
What the heck? OMQS. Never heard of that before. That is the biggest spread ever. $4.35 bid, $12 ask. Sweet.
ONCT. FINB.
So Mullins still sitting right there. It's just kind of frozen. That one is through 220. Okay, interesting. 222 now. Some body res at 225. Let's look at the daily, though. So the daily... Okay, it has resistance here. And then maybe 250 to 260 if it can get through here.
DOS.
DNA got a little PR. Got some volume. 142K or 200K volume. Mob didn't do anything, huh?
SWN. Ray.
Hey, Mike, what's up? Good morning, good morning. You didn't miss anything. IDEX. Just sitting there. This is one of those charts that looks extremely ugly because it's only printing 30 or 31. That's an interesting one. If that would get going. Rev B. Remember this thing back a couple months ago? Rev B had a couple good runs. Now it's down to 25 cents. I think I had an offering though. So it's not the same. Yeah, it's not the same stock it was, but it does have a history of running. Has no reason to be up, but it's, you know, slowly pushing its way up. And it's kind of been hot, so. Oh, is that thing actually going? TSHA. Cool. Honestly, I usually don't like charts that look like this, you know, that trade within a 10-cent range, 20-cent range for hours and hours and hours. Usually you never get the breakout on that. I definitely don't want to chase it up here. Anybody take the 220 break? For real, Scott, 7-cent breakout on, you know, without wicking up here and going to 203 first. Wild. I'm gonna step away for just a second. I'll be right back. All right, back. You got 206. Wow. And you'd never guess it was actually going to break out like this, but this is the true process of elimination trade today. Nothing is up.
PHG MSOS
Mullins starting to fade now. Really, I'm shocked. But this is good. I mean, anything moving higher is good for everything to move higher. So, regardless, and I say this a lot, regardless if I'm in or not in the world, it's good that it's moving higher. Okay, I don't want to listen to this song anymore. Give me something.
GMBL
This thing's just gonna go, I guess. Traded sideways for 4 hours.
TSHA
And it finally broke through. Jesus, good morning, buddy. Welcome in, everybody. What is this? Oh, guidance update. No biggie. Best mover today is TSHA. We really didn't expect it to do this, but it actually flagged underneath resistance. Did a fake push through, pulled back, but then actually got a real push through, and ever since then, it's kind of been grinding straight up. Let's see. Mullins is up as well. Just kind of continuation chart. It's over 60 now, went to 65. That's about it. Maybe we get something else news-wise. If not, it's going to be a very slow day for news runners, at least. Hey, College Cash. Good morning. I mean, it may rotate to things like Sober and all these other things that have been running for days and days and days. If none of these news runners actually want to go. We need something with really good news to spark the market. Because not only will that cause things to go up as well, but then tomorrow, everybody's going to be looking for what's today's XYZ PR that's going to run like blankety blank did yesterday. And that just is this chain reaction of, you know, PRs and all this other stuff that gives good action and follow through. Is this going to run the same? Yeah, maybe something at 9. Broda, what's up? We are just chilling because nothing is happening right now. People say that's funny. How dare they? Bankruptcy plus offering. Yep. 1000%, baby. Suckers. It's that TikTok sound. Thank you for being so dumb.
LPL.
So Mullen coming back down to potentially a support level that holds 60. It did. Yeah, Mullen had this, and then it just bounced at 2 p.m. and continued throughout after hours. Yeah, natural gas was insanely cheap yesterday, huh? Like insanely cheap.
Here.
And it's gonna have, looks like 2 good days in a row.
SBSW.
Yeah, SWN. Wow, I had a day yesterday, didn't it? You were able to snag that at open? Just straight up.
REKR.
Oh my god, why did I type in wrecked? IDEX pushed 36 now. Alright, here's 9 a.m. news. Rev B, I just mentioned that. Did I not just mention Rev B? Just had news. Positive results in preclinical model.
CLSK.
Fubo got multi-year renewal.
PEGY.
That's about it. Man. I literally was just going over how Rev B used to run a lot and it's down and it's getting a little action this morning. Yada yada, and then they threw out the PR.
GRWG. TSH.
Maybe it's not going to get action. I took 2,500 just to play small, you know, maybe make a couple cents on it, but all right, there it is. Go. It just keeps getting stuck. 34.
NMTC. KAHC. CLF.
It kind of sucks that I spotted that earlier, though. It said, wow, if this was to get going, yada, yada, yada. And here we are. 34 is the 50 SMA. And then you got 40. And then like 60. It's not going though. Gonna end up selling for even here, probably, if it doesn't catch.
DDL.
Yeah, couldn't even get full out. They keep bringing the bids up. I don't know how to feel about this.
WEBR.
It's got some nice stacks underneath now, so it's gonna have support down here, but I'm in at 34. 66K ask out of nowhere up here. I'm just gonna go ahead and roll.
ASC.
The level 2 is thickening up a lot. It was very thin. Now it's got 20K, 70K, 25K.
NBOS.
Oh well. Oh well. Yeah, opening action yesterday on Mullins was really bad. Is that what you're talking about?
PXMD.
I missed that comment a second ago when you said that. Is this all we're gonna have today?
TSHA. FNGR.
Forgot about Finger Blast. Finger Blast. The daily is ridiculous. I guess it's still in play. Yes.
IDEX. METX.
Oh, IDEX is actually continuing now.
Veil.
So we had this up earlier. It was under 35. This thing's kind of been on a... This might be like the liquidity blow off here on IDEX because it's been kind of on an algo buy. 630's got you on Finger Blast.
BNET.
Forgot about that one too. Yeah, that daily is just wild. Just refuses to stop. Oh, broke high of day now.
BRFS.
There's definitely some smashers around on this one. Because every time it starts to break out, a new huge ass pops up, and then they just start hitting the bid. Could be bag holders, I guess.
WEBR. AXDX.
Bids are nice through here. I don't want to chase this high now, though. I didn't even want to chase at 35 because it was already trading high. It was already up 20% on the day. The warrants are hitting. Warrants are up as much as the stock now.
TSHA.
$8 through 39. Well, they did. It refreshed right back.
LITM. REVB.
Man, we still got 20 minutes to open.
TBLT.
Market's pushing back up. $377 seems to be holding. Held here, 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 and here. Yeah, I don't know what to expect. And yesterday's action was wild at open.
DGLY.
TBLT pre-market high.
UGP, FTCI. HCTI.
Okay, Rev B selling off a little bit. Let's see where Mullins at. 59, so it's starting to spill. TSHA.
BRFS. TSHA. PBR.
I know, right? Yeah, the chain smoker wannabe song. Oh my god, it only took me 300 shares. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of getting tired of this playlist. HLBZ signs merger agreement with Wheels, potentially doubling full year revenue. It's at 42 cents right now. It was up this morning too. Why has everything been up before the PR today? That's very weird. It's like absolutely everything that's had a PR this morning has had like insider knowledge coming through early on it. Rev B was already up. HLBZ was already up. There was one more that was already up too. Very strange. So in a Can F was already up. Yep. In a perfect world, if this hammers and holds, next candle is green up to like 235, 234, 235. But that just doesn't happen anymore. This is a perfect little flag here down to the EMA line on the 5. But watch, it'll just dump to 215 or something, or 220. They're going to end the candle at lows, like always. It's just silly.
PNMR.
I feel like the art of patterns is kind of gone right now. You just buy hold and hope, the knife.
TMF. Referee. NMTC.
Yeah, if it can come down here, but I hate to see that on momentum plays. Like, go up to this nice level, flag, potential to push to 240 through 240, 250, but now it has to pull back to 215 just to get back to 230. It sucks. All right, I'm gonna go feed the dogs and all that stuff. So I will be back in like 3 or 4 minutes.
IAF. HLBZ. FTCI. EDVL. CPUH. CRKN. Azul. Mining. FNGG. HLBZ.
I have returned with the goods.
NMTC.
All right, let's jam.
IVDA.
All right, it did go down to 220 on VWAP. We're gonna get like 4 fake outs here and then down to 215 and then higher, or what?
CFMS.
All right, we got about 5 or 6 minutes left. Not much. HLBZ had that merger PR. It's a penny. Red B had the PR. It's a penny. CanF had the PR. It's a penny. It's 90 cents. Mullins still up.
HCTI.
It's over 60 again. MOTS from yesterday is kind of near support levels, so that's worth watching. IDEX is up. Weber's up because of a buyout. TSHA is up. Maybe like a hammer candle candidate at open. Not entirely sure what that's going to do. Don't know what that is. This is a $200 stock with 47K volume. That's about it.
FTCI.
That's about it. Market is pushing higher now, 379-ish.
CPUH.
Russell just went green. SPY is just tapped green for a second. Oil's green. Oil had a big recovery, actually. Good luck with that. Yeah, I need to find a copyright-free playlist, though.
HLBZ.
Or royalty-free. This is the first one that I found that's like a true copyright-free. I don't have to worry about going in and muting sounds and stuff.
WEBL.
And even though there's a ton of different songs on here, I feel like we just roll through the playlist every day.
DRFS.
Yeah, I mean, that'll work, brother. Let's just start a band. I mean, no big deal. You guys still like the EDM-ish music, though?
GRWG. CRK.
Like this style? Not really. I'm okay. Average. Okay, this won't load. This playlist is labeled gaming music for YouTube and Twitch copyright free, but I'm just scared of it. You know what I mean? I don't want to have to go through and mute 10 songs every day.
JBLU.
I'll find one maybe later.
XRX.
We'll look.
Momo.
I just feel like EDM kind of fits the trading vibe. Higher energy, you know, fast paced, yada yada. Like, I'm not gonna be listening to freaking
APCS.
country or I mean, I guess rock to some degree could work.
New. RMED. 32. KULR. TRBN FNGU TAR HCTI SMFG TMF
Interesting.
ASC STEM YPF CIK INUV EVV PXJ
We got a visitor. Look up there. No, look. Right there. You see? I said hi.
RNLX LG Tub
Uh-huh. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mama said you escaped. Okay. What about that? Yes, he is. He's watching Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Bluey, and he likes the Hey Bear on YouTube still. He watches Miss Rachel a lot. Okay. Market's ripping face here. No Paw Patrol yet, no. Market very strong at open. Rev B36 test. Rev B37. I took a little bit to 38 now. This is one of those circumstances where it just happened to be on another chart. I'll switch it over when I get a second. I took half at 38, gonna stop it even just so I can flip it over here. Nice little stick there. 39. Here's 40. The reason I like this one so much because I was talking about it before it even got the PR, you know? Like, this has range. This is a former runner. Yada, yada. Looking good so far. I'm going to take a little bit off right there. $1,000 left. Guess I could stop it like right here. Not gonna make a huge difference regardless. So that was a nice little pop. IDEX is down. Hellbiz back down. Okay, that stopped me out. AGFY with a little bit of volume. Remember that thing had the reverse split? It was like $10. Now it's at $175. Maybe it gets a bounce day here. I'm watching it. Trade station froze for you? It's actually working for me, surprisingly. AGFY 178. Okay, they're bringing some ass down, so they're screwing with it. That's for sure. Yeah, that sucks. It happens to me a lot. The old yellow order into gray order into like, are you in or are you out? No shares left. All that nonsense. Whole thing unresponsive. Yeah, I don't. That doesn't happen super often when the whole thing's jacked up. Market rejecting 380 a little bit here. Red B highs, 42. Guess it wanted to go down and get the stops first at 38. I'm cool. Cool with that. TSHA went straight down at open. Now it's straight back up to 230. LEDs, why? Ah, Red B's ripping now, man. 43, 44. gonna turn the volume down. I completely forgot to flip the intraday scanners.
HYFM.
Yeah, Hellbells doesn't look terrible. 37.
MICS, NCA, BNOO.
Mullins trying to bounce from the 200 on the 5. Rep B, man.
BTTR, REBB. PRPL, CGC, BNGO, REBB, PTPI, Way, CGC, Avid, CTXR, CNET, HIBL, PMN, MJUS, PMN, BNGO, King,
CUSA. Oil's not even up.
CNET, BYSI, UMDD, HYZN.
Okay, Red B finally slowing a little bit here.
MJ, TLRY, PHR, SOLR, Graph, Flow, CLSK,
Market back over 380.
PMN, PTIX, HIT, REVB, SLS,
Mob. Okay, I'll pull it up on the screen.
CGC, DEP, PRCH, Marks,
Market trying to get through. It looks strong on the 5-minute here.
FSI, ADTN, ISE, API, PXS, HNBR, BFF, HEXO, Cron, STCE, GDRX, CTIC, NFTZ, PTPI.
I got 42.46 on Rev B. I want to see it go back up through 43 here. I'm trading on the other screen just because the level 2's there, but I got the chart up on the main screen as well. Needs through 43 and 43.13. Okay, there we go. 44. Nice. 44, good volume there. 45 now.
ARHS,
I want to see this blow through 45. 84K on the ass. 74. 72, 67, 58, 40, 20, 16, 10. Refresh. Okay, I'm taking a little out on the refresh into the volume there. It is up through 45 though. 45, 44.
BKCH,
Back under. So they did refresh it really hard. It did scale half over 45 though. I guess I stopped 43.
ANEB, USD,
43.23 the bid. Oh, I must have just rated me out. Whatever. I'll take it.
REVB,
Nice little scout.
FRGT,
They had it right here. They had it. And the refresh bandit came in and killed it.
EXPR,
We just heard this.
WEBR,
I put it on shuffle, so at least it gets like out of the same
EDBL,
direction it usually is.
AAAN, YCBD, GRNR, ANIX, NMTC, SMMT, AAAN, Cyto, Clo, ONDS, FTK, DCFCW, EXPR, HYPR, SFIFTNC, SLNH, Bots, REVB, ATNM.
Market's pushing, but it's one of those days that nothing else wants to go with it. It's just the market pushes on its own, and that's the end of the story.
SNDL, UBT, RVLV. IRBO, Flock, ADTT, PNT, Me, UMDD, XELA.
Memes have a little bit of strength, and the miners have strength. Mara's 1350.
DM, HIMX.
Yeah, I likes beaten down, that's for sure, but will it have another run? It's got a 30K ask at 3. Oh, Red B survived that ugly candle right here. So back up to a 45 test now.
DXLG, UZOSEBLNK, ARHS, ASRT, UROY, XELA, RKT, GFI, PRTK, IPW, KULR, TLRY, ADTN, CLVR, RVLV, CGC, IBLC, FDIG, EDU, EBIX, NVTS, NMTC, SLS, REVB, PTPI, YOLO, JNUG, Flex, BNGO, ARAV.
Okay, Red B looking very weak now. Tried it one more time and it failed. Somebody could come in and save it, but the action's getting more and more ugly. Market's ripping here.
STNE, CTO, UBT, FSBC, WKSP, CTKB, NSTG, Max, DLO, EVLO, MYNZ, QSI, CLVR,
Market is ripping. Oil's up.
UABS, PANL, HUMA, LSAK,
381.50.
ADTN, MJ, AADI, PAGS, NBTS, FDNI, TSA,
Man.
TGB, KULR, AMB,
Yeah, we're getting a little bit of a squeeze here on the market. 381.60.
LEDs, NYCBA, KGRN, CODX, here, LPTX, HYZN, OCUL, SJDB, ASRT, REVB,
Red B 47. I took it through that one more time. Only got filled 2,000 shares though. Come on. There's gonna be more confidence that the market's pushing up too on this move. Let's see if it actually breaks through and like squeezes a little bit to 50. I hate only got filled 2,200. I was trying to take 10,000. It may not go at all. Back under 46 here. Back to 45. Ooh, nasty. Big nasty wick here. I'm back out. I will not stand for weakness. Oh my goodness, man.
USD, CTKB, JCE,
SPY is exploding.
SRGA, PSNY, HHS, Skill, REVB,
I hope so. I mean, we held the weekly perfectly. Is that the bottom? I don't know, but hopefully we go in a rally for a bit. What else do we have to play? Because I don't want to play Red B anymore.
NXDT, CLEU, UMH, Acre, SURG, CPS, REVB, XERS, ABYA, eBiz,
XELA, okay.
IRS, OGCP, WAP,
Yes, it is. 29.
SWAR, SGU, BKCH, AEYE, IHT, Flow,
What else is there?
MJ, WEDR, CFMS, LFST, RGS, IFGL, SJT,
Yeah, memes are up a lot.
SNDL, BIOC, FTK,
But at this point, it's just buy high, sell higher type of thing. They're way too high. Market 382.
SPCB, CGC, MJ,
Oh, CGC's booming. Forgot about that one. Had the news this morning.
REVB, STRT, JWEL, ABST, SFYF, TLRY, UBOT, AESE,
Did you see high of day test?
ARHS,
Oh, never mind. As soon as it touched it, they faded it.
REVB, SJT, VCAR, REVB.
Now Rev B. Oh, why couldn't it have done that here? It had to fake out, go down in the candle at lows. So classic 2022 action. In this candle at lows, never go 1 cent lower. Nike swoosh. Gotta love it.
ETL, Bark. ALZN, JWEL.
8 just had a big candle.
HTZWW. CRMD, HBI. DDC. SONX. TPOR. Zeta. EVIX. Repu. XPOF. ASG. REVB. 9.
8 kind of ripping right now. 275, 276,
XELB.
277.
MITK. HYZN. Sub. PVL. UCL. CBU. LSEA. PYR.
Market still pushing higher.
Roro. AHLE.
I'm watching 8 here. 275 still. Getting good volume. 276. Rev B 49. Oil through 71. 8 through highs.
USIO. HSDT. UCL. ETNB. AHLD. EMAN. UNB.
Market data in 5 minutes. Uh-oh. You know what that's going to do. You already know what that's going to do.
TSHA. REVB.
Rev B 50 here. 400k ask.
SRTS. WEBR.
$50 is a big resistance.
ARHS. DEP. BGY. CYCC. Repu. BSVN. EMAN. REVB. FRTX. Kara. Vine.
49.
Sub. MICS. Groove. JFIN. ELMD.
40k at 49. Okay, 10k, 7k gone. 50K's got 409,000 shares. 406. It's not even 250 yet. It's at 49.69, 49.70, 49.82, 49.90, 50. Okay, 350 left, 330 left, 320 left, 270. Somebody took a good chunk there. 275, 250.
GRTS.
Reduce just a little bit more there.
PTNR.
Yeah, it's been smooth. Price action's been on today. That's all I need. Good price action, and then I can make whatever I want with whatever, you know, whatever day, whatever ticker. That's all we need is a little bit of price action. This was the week that was really good last year. All right, starting to slow down a little bit again. I'm gonna set this last 2,500 for even, I guess. Okay, it immediately got me. Immediately. Probably gonna start slowing down here. I'm at a really good level. Red B now has rejected 50 for 4 candles in a row now. I'm not saying a big swiper can't come in and get it, but 50's big res. Market's slowing down a little bit. What was the news, Broda? What happened? Consumer confidence. Consumer confidence was lower than forecasted, so that's good, right? We want consumers to be scared to death.
SKYH plus AQMS FGB.
Yeah, so you want that consumer to be terrified, right? Full fear of consumer. Sorry, I gotta stretch my legs. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, so consumer scared shitless equals market go up equals Fed's doing what they want. Or what Fed's doing is actually working. Over. I just looked at it a minute ago, and it was doing piece of shit things down at it just had that huge red candle at 950 down to 365, and I said, why am I looking at this? Why do I pull this up every day? This thing's a freaking turd. I hate it. This sucks. And here we are. Okay, I think the euphoria is cooling down just a little bit.
MRUS. TECB.
CGC still strong. High day there. What's that hitting? Bach. Okay.
3 WEVR.
CGC, another high day there. Up 20% now. Wheat stocks were very, very cheap. Okay. Reppy. Starting to think it's done.
EBS. STBX. STBX. Son. NETITLBD. KRT. SUNL. CGC. VOC. TRMR.
CGC.
USX. OSUR. TKLF.
Yeah, I hope everybody's having a decent day. Price action has been much more smooth today. Up is up, down is down, which is always nice.
REVB. Oust. FDIG, NLYI. QQQS. Neo. CLBR. TDW and A. CLBR. CGCG. FBRX. Change.
Oh, nice entry. Nice entry. And got that little spill down to 50.
REVB. ATNM. FRLN, ORGS. SOBR. PRIFK.
TSHA 230 test here.
UFO. ADTN. REVB, WEVR.
Why is Weber going? It has a buyout offer. All right, yeah, I'm taking it very slow now. Very, very slow. If I don't see any good setup within the next 10 minutes, I'll probably call it a day. Did the scanner just say fight back?
FRSX beam. HTGC PTPI. Voxin. PESI. RIT, WEVR. REVB, PESI.
Okay, TSHA failed that breakthrough. CGC, red candle, SPY, red candle. Mullen, good bounce. I wish I'd been watching it there. Low 50s when you grabbed it. That was a nice, you know, they got the fear in there. Because it was starting to bounce off of the 200. And then once it went under the 200, everybody had their stop right here. Just under 54, as they should if you're buying here. But that spilled all the way to 50 exactly. So that may be the bottom. This thing may grind all day. Who knows?
MRAI, BNGO. Two. CELU NAK. REVB AXDX. JJN, PTGRN. PFMT.
I like to see something make a new high of day again, whether it be SPY, whether it be the meme stocks, whether it be the miners, just something to make another high of day to prove that, okay, we're not just going to have this parabolic open and then trade sideways for the rest of the day and chop everybody up.
GRNA. GGLL. IBLC. ARAB.
I'm really close to calling the stream at least because there's really nothing to even talk about right now. Market's pulling back. Riot Mara is still up and very strong. Actually, Mara just made a new high day, so that's good. So Mara is still nice strength. Not exactly following SPY step for step.
REVB, PNNT, VVPR, GRWG, Tusk,
Nut X out of nowhere. Oh, that's been running all morning. What the heck?
ASC, BBW,
Interesting. Why?
NBDS, Tusk,
I will not be suckered into scanner chasing.
Inno, OB,
You know what? I'm just going to call it. But a good morning, good price action, nice open. Market push very strong.
REVB,
Got some continuation plays, got some news plays, penny plays. Been a good morning. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks to my members. Thanks for the likes and comments as always. Appreciate you guys. We'll be back here tomorrow morning, as always, 8 a.m., ready to go. Hopefully another great day tomorrow. So have a good rest of your day. Peace.